Our workshops are not too serious. I like to call them edutainment, education mixed with entertainment. It's essential to have fun along the way. But if you're anything like me, you'll want to know, why do these workshops actually work and how do they affect real people who have busy lives that don't shop in fancy grocery stores, and they just actually want to nudge the dial on their health and well-being. They want health, but not hassle. Let me share you a story about Christopher Pappas. He's a real client of ours. You've probably seen him with me on TV shows. He's 55 years old. He's a successful lawyer. He's worked really hard at getting his children through private school, and he's really, really proud of his marriage of 29 years. But somewhere along the way, Chris lost focus on his well-being, especially his waistline. On his annual checkup this year, his doctor pulled out his blood pathology and said, "Chris, we need to put you on blood pressure medication, cholesterol medication, and you're probably going to go on some kind of insulin medication because you're pre-diabetic." He walked out really, really deflated. He harnessed our online well-being workshops. He even picked up one of my books. And I'm really, really happy to say, 5 months later, Chris was at his doctor's office, and the GP actually phoned me while Chris was there to say, "Michelle, what have you done?" And I said, "It's just small, tiny changes, lifestyle modifications, nutrition, sleep, exercise, and stress management that can make all the difference in the world." Drop me a line if you want to know more.